Want to set a video as your Facebook profile picture? Here's the initial solution and full truth for Facebook in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. On Facebook, you can no longer set a video as your profile picture. This feature was available years ago, but it's been removed in recent updates. Open the Facebook app, tap the three-line menu, then tap your profile. Tap your profile picture. You'll see options like take a photo, choose a photo, import from Instagram. There is no option to upload or select a video. Facebook only allows photos for profile pictures in 2026. You cannot upload a video as profile picture, convert a video into a profile photo. Enable this with settings or hacks. Use third-party apps to force it. Facebook removed video profile photos to simplify profiles and reduce performance issues. You can still upload videos as Reels, post videos to your profile, use animated content in stories. Facebook may bring it back in the future, but as of 2026, there's no official way. If you want motion on your profile, use a reel pinned to your profile instead. And that's the truth. That's the initial solution for setting a video as a Facebook profile picture in 2026. Subscribe for more honest Facebook tips.